Even though Dexter bit my bird, I got mad at him. But he was a good bird.
Rest in peace, Giselle.
I hope that Dexter is okay. I love Dexter. Seen him since he was like really little, and then he was under grandma's table.
Yeah.
That was so cute.
Bye, friend.
I want to say something.
Okay.
I just want to say that we should all be like Dexter. Learn how to fly and be free. And always let your bright colors shine.
Amen. Dexter, you never listened to us. You were always free as a bird. May you rest in peace.
Daddy,
Don't put that on Facebook.
I'm not.
I'll help her. I don't even know
This is our little thing.
I didn't even put Hey, Dexter.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. Then I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture.
Where's that other one?
Hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place.
Let me help you. I'll skip the rest of it.